Today, you're in for a treat because I will be walking you through the top t-shirt trends across Etsy, so that way you can get an idea on what is new and trending across the space to see if there are any similarities you can drag into your shop or different products that might make sense given what is hot right now. If you are new here, please like and subscribe. I give you free sauce every week on how to grow your print-on-demand business, launch your print-on-demand business, and it really helps me out to push this video out to more people if you like and subscribe. So every few months, I like to take a look at what is trending across Etsy and get a better understanding on not products that have been listed for a year, 2 years, 3 years, and what's performing well, but what has launched in the last 30 to 90 days to see what are the new hotspots and trends that we are seeing perform really well to make sure that we're staying on the top trends and we're not kind of getting a little bit dusty with our products that are on Etsy. Because what really happens a lot of the times on Etsy is those are the newest trends because people can print those and get those out to people as fast as possible because there's folks that are doing different products DIY, but that's really where trends kind of start is with Etsy. So I'm really excited to go over some of the top trends that I'm seeing. I'm gonna give you 3 overarching different product types that are going to pop off over the next couple of months. So you should be getting on this right now. So how I'm going to do this is I am going to go over to Etsy and I am going to use my back-end plugin tool, Everbee, to take a look at the different t-shirt data sales numbers that we're seeing on the back end. If you have not heard of Everbee, it is a plugin extension that basically allows you to kind of spy on all of the sales metrics that are happening across Etsy. And I love it for purposes like this to actually go in and vet out different product ideas before I invest a ton of time in designing them, listing them, and working through all of the tactical pieces related to them. And so what I'll do is I've gone over to Etsy and I will plug in t-shirt. I'm gonna keep this super generic because I'm really just looking for top line trends. I'm not trying to look at a specific category. I want it to tell me what the categories are that I should be looking at. From there on the left-hand side, I'll just click on product analytics and it will do its thing. Make sure that you have it selected on the entire Everbee database instead of just the page results. I wanna look at not just the front page, but everything that is on the back end to make sure that I'm seeing all of the different trends. From there, I'm also going to add in a filter. As I mentioned, I don't really care about anything that's been listed for a while. I only wanna see what's been listed for a month to 3 months to see what are the newest top trends. So over on listing age filter, I'm gonna add in a max of 3. From there, it filters out all the information and we're only gonna see different products that have been on Etsy for 90 days or less, which is exactly what we want. So when I look at this data, I'm purely looking for overall trends to kind of see if there are any commonalities that we might be able to pick out of this. Keep in mind that not every one of these products is going to be a good idea. A lot of them are going to be a little bit dangerous. But what I will say as the first trend is that political inspired shirts are a huge trend right now. A lot of this probably isn't surprising. We've seen that the last year or so has been a politically fueled kind of year. And so we see people that are selling different products that are related to who is in presidency right now, but not just presidency. We notice things that are related to different policies or different decisions that are being made across the political ecosphere. This is not a political video. A lot of money can be made in political t-shirts. What I'm going to call out here is that that is a trend and there are opportunities to potentially see these types of moments in the press and utilize them for your print-on-demand business because you can take that and have to not need a ton of time to print, package, and ship these. You can create a design super quickly and get in front of people with that design super quickly that clearly people are caring deeply about. So the first one here, political t-shirts. I personally would stay away from anything relating to Trump that is somebody's likeness. There are going to be plenty of presidential t-shirts out there and there's probably a argument to be made that you are safe in different ways. I just would stay away from it just because anything that connects with somebody's likeness and you're profiting off of somebody else's likeness is typically a no-go. But keep that in mind here that this is another example that would be completely safe. We have a t-shirt that says Gulf of Mexico. For those of you that aren't aware, here in the United States, there have been some murmurings of changing the naming of the Gulf of Mexico to a different name, Gulf of America. And so this is a t-shirt that has pride in keeping it that name. It doesn't call out anything other than a body of water. And as it stands, has done about $17,000 per month in revenue. So only been listed for about a month. Huge opportunity in these political moments. Not to say that you have to go the political route, but it is an opportunity to make crazy amounts of income if those different types of topics are arising. There are a lot of conversations ongoing right now about tariffs. I posted a video about that. I'll link that below. That could be another element that is divisive. And so if there are t-shirts that you can make relating to tariffs or maybe different political charged moments, that could be a really great way to make a ton of money. Some more examples of this that we see are going to be the hands-off protest shirt. There was a large protest wave that went across the United States regarding this saying of hands off. And then we also see another example here within the subtle pro-choice t-shirt as well. So again, great opportunity for large amounts of monthly income that is a little bit more nuanced than what we've seen from political t-shirts before. This style of kind of subtle political t-shirts I think is really interesting because it allows folks to wear something that gives their perspective but is not outwardly American flag or saying something ridiculously aggressive. It allows people to kind of have that opinion and have that statement without being ridiculously braggadocious about it. So really cool different trend that we're seeing that has outsized opportunity for driving crazy amounts of money. The next trend that we still see continuing to make waves is going to be the design aesthetic of funny tees. Now last year there was this huge wave of what we were calling kind of unhinged t-shirt designs. That is still remaining as a top opportunity. If we look here, this is an example of a t-shirt that says Rage Consumes Me, has done over $10,000 of revenue in the first 3 months of being live. It is a little kitty cat and the simple text of Rage Consumes Me. Another example of that is this t-shirt, which says Off to Commit Tomfoolery, which has like a little frog and in a little hat, which has done similarly somewhere between $9,000 to $10,000 in the last 3 months. These t-shirts kind of popped up last year and have continued to rise every single month with different designs. And what's great about that and perfect for print on demand is that there's so many opportunities to create similar types of really funny t-shirts that have different elements to them that we can make with print on demand and get them listed super quick. With platforms like Etsy, it costs us 20 cents to list that, but that's literally all it costs us to test and see if this is a product and a design that would work. As a pro tip to complement that strategy and how you can use this every single day with your own print on demand shop is you can take those funny sayings like Off to Commit Tomfoolery. We never want to copy, we never want to steal, but you can use different AI tools like ChatGPT to kind of be your mental buddy to help come up with different types of sayings that are funny and similar that we might be able to use for our own print on demand shop and our own print on demand designs. So an example of that here is I asked it, hey, what are some funny sayings similar to Off to Commit Tomfoolery? And it popped out dozens of really funny t-shirt slogans that I think would perform really well. Some of them including currently plotting shenanigans, off to cause a minor inconvenience, time to stir the pot again. There are different themes and categories that it will spit out, so you can prompt it to even give you more of those. I love this one, engaging in recreational hooliganism, on my way to be a public menace. Just really great topics that we'd be able to take that, make a different design with print on demand utilizing Kittle or Canva, and have that be a t-shirt. And the last trend that I'm going to walk through today that I am seeing pop up more and more, especially as we're going into the summer months, is going to be the baby tee. And obviously, when we talk through different types of products, it's still very important to make sure that the actual print and design that you're adding onto the product is perfect for print on demand and has a lot of consumer interest. But the design and the product of baby tee is one that we're seeing perform really well. So what we have here is an example of a baby tee, super simple design. It's done around $10,000 of revenue since being live for the last 2 months. It was obviously themed for the holiday of St. Patrick's Day. It says drinks well with others, but it's literally just a cropped t-shirt and a baby tee that we could utilize this design kind of style and the product to apply to all upcoming holidays, but also maybe cross niche. We just talked a little bit about political and funny sayings being really big trends right now. And so we can make that kind of like a cross niched idea and take all of those funny sayings that we just came up with and not just apply it to a regular t-shirt, but apply it to more of this like vintage baby tee style. A couple of products that I have my eye on is going to be the women's crop top AS color 4062. It's a cropped t-shirt, so it has that like perfect length for what we're seeing perform well within media today and allows all types of different color choices and embroidery. So this is one that I'm keeping my eye on, as well as the Printful women's micro rib tank with Bella canvas. This is a little bit different than the baby tee, but Printful also has this type of like tank top that, again, going into summer is probably perfect for what we're seeing well with like summer months and people wanting to be outside. So really, really great offerings on Printful that I'm gonna be testing out with my shop. So that is it. Those are my top 3 t-shirt trends for the last 90 days that still have so much life in them, so we can utilize those trends for our own print on demand shop. The first one being political charged or politically adjacent t-shirts and different products in that kind of subtle political side of things. The second one being funny t-shirts with kind of an interesting graphic that has nothing to do with the actual wording. And then the last one being vintage baby tee styles, baby tanks that will be really, really popular for summer. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.